Hello friends, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn about pronoun. So, what is a pronoun? You have already learned about noun or a naming word, name of a person, place, thing, animal. So that is a naming word or we can say noun. And the word that is used to replace this noun or naming word that is known as a pronoun. तो noun और naming word को replace करने के लिए जिस word को we use that word is known as pronoun. And in today's class we are going to learn about personal pronoun, and in this personal pronoun we are having he, she, it, I, we, you and they. So let's continue. First of all, take an example of a cow. This is an animal. Naming word is there. This is a naming noun. So if we want to write or we want to say something about this cow, cow is a pet animal. Cow has four legs. The cow has a long tail. The cow eats green grass. Now we are repeating this word cow, the cow, the cow. So this doesn't look nice. So what we do? We replace this word the cow by it. We replace this word by it. So it will become the cow has four legs. Instead of writing this, the cow has four legs, we'll write it has four legs. The cow has a long tail. Now again, we need to replace this cow by it. It has a long tail. The cow eats green grass. So replace this by it eats green grass. So what we have done, we have replaced the word cow by it. And this it is a pronoun. This it is a pronoun and this cow is a naming word. Let's take another example. We have an apple. Apple is a fruit. Apple is of red color. Apple is round in shape. Apple is a healthy fruit. Okay. Now again and again apple. So instead of writing apple again and again, we will replace this apple by it. Apple is of red color. Instead of writing this, we'll say it is of red color. It is of red color. Apple is round in shape. So again we'll replace this apple by it. It is round in shape. Apple is a healthy fruit. So replace this by it. It is a healthy food. Okay. Now take an example of a person. Person. In this person we have taken a boy. Now if we want to say something about this boy, Yuvraj is a good boy. Yuvraj likes to read English book. Yuvraj likes to eat fruits. Yuvraj plays football. So again, we are repeating this word, this naming word, Yuvraj, Yuvraj, Yuvraj. So instead of repeating Yuvraj, we will replace Yuvraj by no, not by it. अब युवराज जो है that is a living person और boy है तो so boy के लिए we will write he likes to read English book. Again, Yuvraj likes to eat fruit. He likes to eat fruits. Yuvraj plays football. Instead of that, we'll say he plays football. Now take an example of a girl. Pihu is a good girl. Pihu has one brother. Pihu likes to eat an ice cream. Pihu plays Ludo. Okay, now again we are repeating this word Pihu. So we need to replace this Pihu by. So we will replace it by not he. For girl we use she. So we will replace Pihu by she. She has one brother. Pihu likes to eat an ice cream. She likes to eat an ice cream. Pihu plays Ludo. She plays Ludo. Now take an example of a zoo. You must have gone to a zoo. So there is a zoo in my town. The zoo has a very large area. Zoo has a big pond. I like zoo very much. So again, instead of writing zoo again and again, so what I will write? I'll write it. It has a large area. The zoo has a big pond. It has a big pond. Yes, I like zoo very much. I like it. Zoo very much. Very nice. Okay. अम अभी तक हमने जो बात की वो हमने चीजों के बारे में बात की, पर अगर हम अपने बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं, जैसे देयर इज अ बॉय और वो अपने बारे में कुछ बात कहना चाहता है. आई एम अमित. आई एम अ बॉय. आई हैव अ पेट डॉग एंड आई लाइक टू प्ले फुटबॉल. अब ये जो अमित है, ये जब अपने बारे में बार बार बात कर रहा है तो, और अपने बारे में जब भी हम बात करते हैं तो व्हाट वी यूज आई. I, I. Okay? Either girl or a boy, both will use I. Oh, ये दोनों कौन है? ये तो दोनों, इनके बारे में देखें कौन है ये? ये क्या बता रही है? We are sisters. तो हम sisters हैं. We. तो जब बहुत सारे एक आई थे, तब हमने I यूज किया, और जब एक से ज्यादा हैं तो we are using we. We are sisters. We go to school. We study together. We like to eat fruits. तो जब हम अपने बारे में, बहुत सारे लोगों के बारे में, एक से ज्यादा के बारे में बात करते हैं तो we'll use we. You. You हम बात करते हैं अपने सामने वाले के बारे में. जैसे टीचर के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, you are a teacher. You teach me English. You can also sing nicely. You are very helpful. ओके. तो अगर हम किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? यू. देन वी हैव दे. अब ये दोनों कौन है? लेट्स सी. दीज आर सोनू एंड मोनू. दे आर ब्रदर्स. अब इन दोनों के लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? दे. दे आर ब्रदर्स. दे लव ईच अदर. दे प्ले पियानो. सो आज हमने प्रोनाउन लर्न किया, और उसमें पर्सनल प्रोनाउन हमने देखे, और इसमें हमने लर्न किया ही, शी, इट, आई, वी, यू, दे का यूज. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू.